Did you know it may be possible to design the battery out of your product and replace it with energy harvesting? We see more and more portable devices coming on the market, and that generates a lot of devices with batteries, which becomes a problem. The idea of using energy harvesting for those devices looks at solving different problems. The first one being the user experience, making sure that user doesn't have to think about changing batteries or replacing them or recharging. It's also offering more sustainable solutions for your product, because potentially the removal of the need of battery can mean that you can use materials that are less damaging to the environment. The marketing differentiator of energy harvesting also means that you can justify a premium price on your product by having something that's more respectful of the environment, but also doesn't require the user to change the batteries. There are so many potential safety issues with the batteries, whether it's overheating, restrictions on shipping, exploding batteries in recycling centers, disposable batteries on the street, and energy harvesting gets around that by offering a solution that doesn't potentially use a battery. We also believe that future legislations will start to tackle the issue of batteries in portable devices, and we'll see more and more restrictions. So planning ahead, we decided to look at how energy harvesting could help. So here at i4, we've looked at making demonstrators using different energy sources such as solar, kinetic, vibration, RF, and also temperature difference to power devices. We've looked at applications such as remote controls, wearables, switches, and GPS trackers. A multidisciplinary project looked at how to do remote controls without the need of batteries, and that led to a granted patent in the UK. This is the perfect case study for energy harvesting, because the remote control spends 90% of the time on the table doing nothing, with the batteries inside slowly draining. What we've done is making sure that it's only harvesting energy as you need it, so it's when you press the button, the energy of your thumb is enough to power the signal transmitted. We also have the know-how to develop a product from scratch with energy harvesting, and we would be looking at your requirements and start to identify the energy sources available in your environment. We have a set of reference designs that we can use, so we have established a good network of suppliers and partners to see what's the current status of components available to make energy harvesting possible for high-volume production. So please get in touch and we can talk about how energy harvesting could solve your problems.